Most couples stop touching each other after 2 years, and yet, touch is the language of love. But over the years, life gets busy. Stress, responsibilities, and endless to-do lists take over, and even a simple touch becomes rare. Try this for just 30 seconds today. Take your partner's in yours. Slowly stroke the center of their palm with your thumb, moving from the wrist toward the fingers. Repeat a few times. Thai massage helps you slow down, relax, and reconnect with each other.